Right. In the last class, we have discussed about what is UX, what is UI, what is the difference between UX and UI. Everything we have discussed. And not only that, what is HTML, who developed HTML, okay, what is the purpose of the website, and what is the basic essentials required to develop a website. All those things also we have discussed successfully. Understand it, everybody? Respond please. Okay, right. So one more time, I want to repeat that. Okay, so we'll start whatever I discussed in the yesterday class. That means not entire thing from the HTML introduction onwards. What is HTML? Who developed HTML? Then after we'll continue. Right? 5 minutes. So first of all, who developed this HTML? Who developed this HTML? HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Why he was developed HTML? Why he was developed HTML? Why he developed to create web pages or website? To create web pages or website. So what is a website? So website is nothing but a collection of web pages which contains proper information. Which contains proper information. Generally in the internet, we will find websites or else web applications. So there is websites are there, web applications also there. So what is the difference between them, websites and web applications? Website means just information based, and there is no interaction also. Just we will see the data, that's it. Just we can see the data, okay, and we will get some information. We are not able to edit that, or else we are not able to communicate with that person also. Okay, right. So that is a website. Web application means there will be more interaction, and that will be very bigger also. Okay, and we are able to manipulate the data if possible, or else we can upload our data also. For example, now we can register. At that time we can upload the data. Not only that, each and every time we can modify your resume also. Okay, and there will be consultancies will be there, companies will be there, vendors will be there, and like that job searching persons also will be there. So there will be huge interaction also there. And like that, Facebook, that is also web application. Amazon.in, that is also web application. Not only website, they are web applications also. Why? Because there is huge data and there will be interaction also there. Some business also will be going on in the Amazon.in especially. Okay, everybody, right? So for example, you can upload your products in the Amazon.in. Not only you, okay, if you register as a vendor, and how many persons also they can register as a vendors, and they can upload all their products into their web application, so that whoever interested, they can purchase that product. Whoever interested, they can purchase that product also. Clear, right, everybody? Right. So that will be huge interaction also there. So why we need to register as a vendor? Of course, this is not related to UI development, but just general knowledge purpose. Why we need to register as a vendor? Why can't we sell by our own? So why? Because nowadays everybody is busy with their works. Nowadays everybody is busy with their works. Okay, and they don't have time to go a specific place. Okay, and to purchase items. Of course, they have little bit time also, but they don't want to go most of the time. People, so they want to purchase from online. And whenever anybody wants to purchase from online, so it is not possible to each and every person to develop a web application. For example, I have a store. Okay, not very small store, not very big store, medium level store. I have 5 lakhs rupees, 10 lakhs rupees, or 15 lakhs rupees only. So with that amount, I have opened a grocery store, or any other store also, mobile store also, whatever it may be. I have opened. So somebody wants to purchase through online. That purpose, what I need to do? I need to develop web application. And developing web application is not a big deal. However, we can develop, but then after maintaining that web application, security for that web application. Okay, you are managing that web application, and how many users are using at the same time. For example, PhonePe, at the same time, so many people will use. That is huge database also. Every person will use minimum 10 to 20 times. Okay, a single rupee also they are transferring through PhonePe only nowadays. So there will be huge data. Still, application should not slow, and it should be secure also, and application should not be slow. So that means maintaining of the application, maintaining of the application. Okay, that is also we need to do. So I have only 15 to 20 lakhs, and if you want to maintain a proper web application with security and everything, server maintenance and everything, it will cost more also. It will cost more also. So each and every year, I need to spend again 20 to 25 lakhs on that only. So each every year 20 to 25 lakhs means is not a small amount. Per month 2 lakhs. Are you understanding that my point? Per month 2 lakhs. And they need to keep their investment on their business also. Not only web application, they need to keep their business investment also. Okay, so that what happens, the investment will be huge. The investment will be huge. Understand it, everybody? So that's why instead of developing a web application by their own, instead of developing a web application by their own, if there is any re-owned web application like Amazon.in, Flipkart.com, BigBasket.com, or else Snapdeal.com, like that website is there. They are very big applications. Most of people are using that. So they will take care of that website maintenance and security and everything, because that is their income source. All their money invest in that website only. All their money invest in that website only. So instead of creating a website and maintaining and investing money on a website, so they will register as a vendor in that re-owned application, and they will upload their products. Understand it, everybody? So store is there, offline store will be there, and through online they need to invest. They no need to invest any single rupee also. They no need to invest any single rupee also. Okay, they need to give some percentage for the Amazon. That's it. They need to give some percentage from the Amazon or Flipkart.com. So why? Because they are selling through their application. They need to purchase. They need to provide some percentage. That's it. So other than that, there is no investment on. Understand it, everybody? So that's why most of the people whoever has small stores and everything, or big stores also, whatever it may be, irrespective of their business and business size, they want to register as a Amazon and Flipkart also. Okay, and so on, we are getting some little bit benefit also. We are getting some offers, especially in the festival season and everything. And suppose what is the advantage is, we are staying in normal town. There won't be any big stores. Okay, so there is huge offers are going on. There is huge offers are going on, but it is very in a city. There is a big store is there. There is a city. There is going on offers. You want to purchase a mobile or any other product. So for that product purpose, you cannot go there. For that product purpose, you cannot go there because you are busy with your family related works. You cannot go there. Okay, and you want to purchase a mobile. Then what will you do? Generally, we will avoid that. But now, no need to avoid. Everywhere internet is available. Through online, you can purchase. Through online, you can purchase. So without missing anything, we are purchasing it. Okay, so some people will think we are not going outside, our health is losing and everything. So don't think like that. If you want health conscious, do some exercise, but don't blame technology. What is maintenance means, as a software developer, you should not blame a technology. You should always try to find the advantage only. Then only you can improve yourself. Because if in order to improve yourself, your personal confidence also important. Okay, so we are helping. Generally, we are as a web developer, we are helping to the people. Okay, everybody is getting benefited. Everybody can transfer their money anytime and everything. Why? Because this is because of the web application. Sir, what about mobile application? Of course, that is not part of the course. General, I'm telling. See, every mobile application also should have a web application. Why? Because mobile applications, they cannot connect with the database. Android also, iOS also, they cannot connect with the database, so that you cannot register the directly. But of course, you are registering to your mobile only. But what happens is, every web application, every mobile application has server-side programmer also. That means they have some web application also. So there they will connect with the database, and there through REST API they will share in the database. So if you are purchasing through mobile application also, web application also, whatever it may be, web applications plays some key role. Why I'm telling this point is, what is the job security for a web developer? So as I told yesterday, how many years this world exists, that many years web developers requirement is there. Okay, web developers requirement will be there. That's it. Okay, right. So why HTML was developed? To create website or else web pages. What is a web page or else website? Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains information. In the internet, what we will get? Information only. Suppose if you go to the Wikipedia, you will get the text in the, sorry, you will get the information in the form of text and images. Text and images. Okay. And if you go to the Cuckoo FM, you will get the information in the form of audio. Okay, right. And if you go to the YouTube, you will get the information in the form of video. Right, everybody? So whatever it may be, and not only that, if you open anything in the, for example, there is a disease, you don't know the meaning of the disease, else what is that the disease also. Suppose you have searched in the Google and no need to read anything, just click on the images. Some images will come. By seeing that easily you can understand. So in the internet you are getting the information from the images also. Understand it, everybody? So through internet, what are we getting generally? Information. Okay, everybody? So information is nothing but data. So that's why all the mobile companies also will use data plans like that. Rather than internet plans like that, they will use data plans like that. So whatever it may be. So what is the purpose of a website or web page? What is that? To share the information across the world. As I told previously, in the Amazon.in, they are storing their information only. So whoever interested, they can purchase that products. Okay. Especially, what is the advantage of the sharing the information is, for example, before 10 to 15 years before, there is no that much internet evolution. Just now it is starting. Before 15 years or 20 years, there is no internet also. Nobody knows that. Before 1995, there is no internet also. Understand it, everybody? There is no that much internet also. If it is there also, it is available only in particular companies only. That is also particular purpose. Okay, there is not available for normal people. In the company level, they will work. So whatever it may be. So at the time, what happens is, suppose I want a book. Okay, which is crucial for my education, whatever it may be, or else my personal interest, whatever it may be, I want a book. So some books are not available in the villages. They are available in the towns only. Some books are not available in the towns also. They are available in the district headquarters. District main, for example, Guntur district is there. So Guntur is the main place. Okay, so like that, district headquarters only some books are available. Okay, some books are not available in the district level also. In the state level only available, in the Hyderabad, something like that. Some books are still not available in the Hyderabad also. They are available in the national capital. For example, before 20 to 30 years before, there is no civils material available in the Hyderabad. Everybody has to go to the Delhi. Right, everybody? So in that case, what is the thing we need to do? If anybody wants to prepare civils by their own, either they need to go to the Delhi personally only to purchase that books, or else if any other person is going, any relatives or else friends, so whatever it may be, however it is a relative, friends of the friends, relative of the relatives, whatever it may be, they need to give the money and they need to wait until they come back. If they are coming 1 month after also, 2 months after also, they need to wait. And whenever they bring back that books, or else whenever they are sending that books from the post office or anything, then only they can get that. Understand it, everybody? So it will be very delay process also. But now through any bookstore related web application, we can purchase any book from anywhere in the world also. If you can able to pay a little bit more, anywhere from the world also you can purchase. Understand it, everybody? So that is the advantage of the web applications. Okay, right. So there is huge advantages. Okay, lesser disadvantage. That is also through personal life only. So forget about that. But technical wise, there is huge advantages related to web applications. Okay, right. So we are sharing the information across the world. So how we can share the information across the world? For example, I have created my own web application. Is it available for the entire world? Online people are not responding. You are not saying at least yes or no also. If you are developing a web application in your computer, is that web application available for entire world directly? No. No, directly it is not available. Only I can see, or else I can show to my friends or relative, whoever able to see that computer, I can see that. But entire persons in the world cannot see that. So if you want to make available that web application for the entire world, is we need to purchase two things in the www. What is that? We need to purchase two things in the www. What is that? Domain name and hosting space. Domain name and hosting space. What is the example of domain name? Application name only. What is the example? Facebook.com, Amazon.in, Google.com, Twitter.com. What are those? Domain names only. Those are all domain names only. Okay, whenever you have pressed there, whenever you have typed there, okay, domain name, automatically it will call the files from the hosting space. Why? Because whenever you are purchasing, say two things you need to purchase at the same time. One is hosting space and domain name. They are related. And they are related. Whenever you are purchasing that particular domain name, whenever you are typing that particular domain name, automatically it will redirect to that related hosting space only. From there, what is the file will call first? What is the file will call first? Index. What is the file will call first? Index. I told already yesterday. Index, every application should have index file. That file will call automatically. Through that index file, we will navigate to any other page also. For example, if you open there Amazon.in, if you open there Amazon.in, if you open there Amazon.in, automatically a page is opening. I'm not typing here other than this Amazon.in, I'm not typing anything. So open home page, or else slash home page, slash landing page, slash first page. I'm not typing anything like that. What I'm typing here, just Amazon.in. What is that, everybody? Amazon.in only. Just Amazon.in only I'm typing. Then automatically this page is coming or not. What is this page generally we will call? General language, generally we will call it as home page or else landing page or else starting page, first page. According to our knowledge, we will call it. Generally, this file, whatever it may be, but as a programmatical way, they have named it as index. In a programmatical way, they will name it as index. So that then only whenever you are typing this domain name, automatically this particular file will load. So every application should have index file, one minimum. Clear it, everyone? Respond. Okay, right. So every application, the online people respond. Why are you silent? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Respond through
yes,
voice.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right.
Yes, yes, sir.
Respond through. Yeah, right. So respond through voice only. Don't maximum avoid responding through chat because I cannot see your chat messages. Okay. Yeah. Please respond through voice only. Yes. So every application should have index page. Okay, everybody. Right. One second. Okay, right, index. Then after, so where we need to purchase this hosting space and the domain name, then we need to purchase www. So then we need to know who developed the www also. Who developed it? Again, Tim Berners. Who? Tim Berners-Lee. He developed HTML and he developed www also. www stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. So entire world web can see the information available in the web. Why? Because it is worldwide. Okay, right. Then after
Sir, a
this
screen looking blank.
screen looking blank. What about others? Ravikant, Mishra,
No, sir,
Manoj.
I can see the screen.
Yeah, right. Roshan, once leave the session, come again if you don't mind. You will see it maybe properly. Are you attending through mobile or
Okay, sir.
computer?
Mobile, sir.
Mobile, okay. So try to leave the session, come again. Maybe you can able to see properly, maybe. Okay. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes there is
Thank you.
yeah. Right. So this is about related to just basic information related to technology, okay, and internet also. What is the purpose of the website and web application? That is the information. Okay. So to create our website or web page, what is the basic essential thing we need to have? HTML. What is that, everybody? HTML. Then we need to know about what is HTML also. What is HTML also? What is HTML? HTML is a markup language which is used to provide proper internal structure for our web page.
Sir,
What is that,
again,
everybody?
black.
Roshan, I think some problem with your mobile or that go to training in your mobile only, especially. I'm sorry for that, but actually other persons are able to see. If everybody is not able to see, okay, wait 1 second. I will try to stop my sharing. Are you able to see anything now? Others also respond. Manoj, Sriharsha, Ravikant.
No.
No. Okay, right. Give me a second. Now say, are you able to see anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Roshan,
We can see.
Roshan, no. Roshan, no.
Sir, again blank, sir.
See, in front of you only everybody told, right? I'm able to see like that. Okay, Roshan. So please try to understand. I think that is problem with your mobile maybe. Okay, right. So please be, yeah,
Okay.
wait, yeah, sorry, right. So see here, to develop any web application, minimum in the front end side, we need to have what technology? HTML. So then we need to know about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a markup language. It is a language which is markup based. That means tag based. Okay. So language, and which is used to what purpose? To provide proper internal structure for our web page. Whenever you are designing, the designing can
नहीं
be
दिख
called
रहा
as,
है मेरा.
please put everybody mute, Roshan. So whenever you are designing, the designing can be called as structure. So whenever you are giving structure, there will be two structures: internal structure and external structure. Okay, internal structure and external structure. So this HTML will provide what? Internal structure. This HTML will provide what? Internal structure. Right. Then after, what is the full form of HTML? What is it, everybody? What is the full form of HTML? So what is the full form? Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Tell me, what is the purpose of the language? Why we use the language?
For creating web pages, sir.
No. Generally, I'm asking about not related to programming. Generally, why we use a language? What is the purpose of a language?
In order to communicate, it's a medium of communication.
Right. Yes, perfect. What is that? We can communicating with the language. What a language contains then? What a language contains? I'm talking about general language. Forget about programming language. Okay, normal language. What it will contain? Alphabets, words. Okay, right. Sentences, grammar. Okay. See, every language will contain alphabets. By using the alphabets, we can form words. Okay, and every by using words we can make a sentence. For example, every sentence should follow have a grammar. Okay, so you cannot tell without any grammar or anything, you cannot tell. Okay, there come. Okay, or else come here we'll need to tell. Or else here come, you should not tell like that. We should have proper grammar. Okay, understand it, everybody? Every language should have a grammar only. With that, using that keyword and everything, we will communicate. Okay, by combining all those things, we will communicate. Understand it, everybody? So normal language, these are things is enough. Okay, they should have their own alphabets. They should have their own predefined words, and they should have their own predefined sentences, and every sentence should follow some their own grammar. General language, it should contain like that. Then after, why we are calling this HTML as a language? Why we are calling this HTML a language? So this HTML also is communicating with the web browser. This HTML also is communicating with the web browser. Just because of communicating with the web browser, we can call it as a language? No. It has its own predefined keywords also, like H1 tag, H2 tag, paragraph tag, P tag, anchor tag, A tag, div tag, table tag, tr tag. We have so many tags also. That means it has its own predefined keywords also. Of course, we will use English alphabets only. So, okay, we will use English alphabets only, but it has its own predefined keywords also. Okay, with that keywords we will communicate. And just because of that, we can call it as a language? No. It has its own syntax. General, normal language, we'll call it as a grammar. But coming to programming language, we need to call it as syntax. What is the syntax? Markup tags. What is it, everybody? Markup tags. What are the markup tags? Less than and greater than. Angle brackets. Angle brackets are the markup tags. So if you write there only less than and greater than, that can be called as opening tag or starting tag. Okay. If you write there less than slash greater than, then it can be called as closing tag or ending tag. So this is a grammar we need to follow. Just because of we can call it as a language. General language, it's okay. Okay, predefined words. Okay, grammar. Okay, and sentences. Okay, and communication. We can call it as a language. So coming to programming language, not only that, every programming language or else every markup language, every language related to computer related programming. See, programming means whenever we use C or C++, Java, don't think that is only programming. If you are writing code in the HTML also, that comes under programming. You are also programmer. Okay, in that sense I am telling that. Please try to understand that. Okay, so coming to programming, not only that, whatever you are writing, okay, we need to use English alphabets only. That English alphabets, Tamil alphabets, Telugu alphabet, Japanese alphabet, whatever it may be, that cannot understand by the computer. Okay, so what computer can understand? 0 and 1. That means binary code. What computer can understand? 0 and 1, binary code. Okay, so something should be there to convert our language, human reading and writing language, into binary language. Somebody should be there to convert our human reading and writing language into binary language. Generally, who will convert that? Into binary language? Interpreters or compilers. So HTML should have their own interpreter or compiler. Okay, right. So where we will check the outputs? In the browser. Okay, so every browser contains these interpreters. If you are installing a browser, means automatically that interpreters also will come. No need to install interpreters specifically. Okay, HTML interpreters for Google Chrome, HTML interpreters for Mozilla Firefox. No need to install like that. Whenever you install any browser, means automatically that interpreters will come. Okay, so browser also like our human body. What is our human body? Collection of organs and connection between them. What is it, everybody? Collection of organs and connection between them. We have lot of organs internally. Lot of means collection, and they have connection also. For example, each and every organ should have connected with heart through nerves. Why? Because it requires blood. Is this point clear to everybody? Respond. Okay, so like that, each and every browser has internally parts. What is that? Interpreters. How many interpreters? 3 interpreters: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML interpreter will be there, CSS interpreter will be there, JavaScript interpreters also will be there. And these three interpreters are connected with each other. That's why entire web page we are able to see proper. They have collection and they have connection also. They have connection also. Is this point clear, everyone? Okay, they have connection also. Internal connection also will be there. Clear, right, everybody? Respond. Okay. Online people.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah. So these interpreters do we need to install manually? No. Whenever you are installing browser means automatically these interpreters will come. Automatically these interpreters will come related to that particular browser. Related to that particular browser. So like our human organs only, interpreters also. For example, A is there, B is there. Okay, A's kidneys is failed. Okay, who should be go to the hospital and who should be treated? A only. Why? A has kidneys, B has kidneys, but A kidneys has got problem. So he should go to undergone for a surgery. Understand it, everybody? Respond. So like that, depends upon your interpreter's capability, you will get that related output in that particular browser. Okay, for example, border radius property is there in the CSS, thing like that. If that border radius property is not understood by the Internet Explorer, if that border radius property is not understood by the Internet Explorer, then you don't get the related output. Why? There is no capability to understand the border radius. So that is what my intention. But same thing, if you execute same file, if you execute in the Mozilla Firefox, you will get output. Why? Because it can understand what is border radius is. Understand it, everybody? Right. So that's why we'll see sometimes, okay, different outputs in different browsers. Why? Their interpreter is different. If that interpreter cannot understand that particular property or particular method or else anything, particular tag, whatever it may be, you cannot get that related output. You cannot get that related output. Okay. So each and every browser has interpreters, but they are individual. Every browser has their own individual interpreter. Up to here, clear, right? Okay, right. So 95% we can call it as a language. 99% we can call it as a language. Not only that, again 1%. What is that? Extension. Every language should contain their own extension. For example, C language extension must be .c in the last. C++ .cpp, Java .java. Okay, .net .asp or something that will be there. Okay, right. PHP .php, Node.js .js only, JavaScript .js only, TypeScript .ts, Python .py. Okay, Python .py. So like that, each and every language should have their own extension. Like that, HTML also it has its own extension. What is that? .html.
.html.
Okay, yes. Each and every HTML page, we should save with .html extension. Each and every HTML page we should save with .html extension. Okay, so now you understand that why we are calling it as a language, what is this markup and everything. That's fine, everybody. Markup also I have explained and language also we have explained. Why I am explaining this word by word is because abbreviation is just not a words. It will give clear information related to that particular technology. If you are able to understand if you are able to analyze the abbreviation and that meaning properly, 50% of the subject easily can understand that. Why? Because through that abbreviation they will give some clear information. For example, if you say there, mine is a language. So what are the language properties we should have? That thing we need to analyze. It is a markup based language. That means tag based language. So each and every predefined keyword related to HTML we should write in this markup language. Understand it, everybody? Basic information at least, providing or not. If you by using this basic information, you can learn any other language 50%. Okay, right. Then after, what is this? Hypertext. What is it, everybody? Hypertext. Why? What is the meaning of this hypertext? What is the meaning of this hypertext? Hypertext means structured text or else structured data. For example, if you are saying here Amazon with a proper structure you are saying, or else Without structure, you are saying proper structure. See that from here
Yes,
to here, yeah, from here to here, proper structure, and see it. All the menus is coming like that, side by side only, with white color and everything. Okay, and here also there is a use data is there. Okay, and then after there is slider, offer slider thing, and then after this is a user related information, and then after today deals. This is a section, and see it from here to here with a structure it is there, and this image also from here to here there is an image, and then after offers. Okay, offer that related tag and the related prices and the related caption. Everything is available. Understand everybody? Please respond. So in this proper area with a structure. So below that, this one and everything. Clear it everybody? Right. So it has a proper structure. So who is providing the proper structure? Internal structure? HTML. So hypertext means what? Structured data. So if you are using HTML, automatically you can align your data with structure. Why? Because we are providing in the internet, what are we providing? Data only. So whenever you are providing the data, it should be proper structure or not. For example, you purchased a book. Without structure, it will be there? No. Each and every entire book will divide into lessons. Entire book will divide into lessons or else topics wise. Each and every topic will divide into paragraphs. If that paragraph requires an image, that is also will display. So how they are displaying? With the structure. That is the basic structure if it is possible in every book. But here in the web page, you can design in so many structures. But whatever it may be, it will be with proper structure. So that structure it will provide. So Tim Berners-Lee is telling us my language, my HTML language will provide proper internal structure to your web application. Not only structure, we can communicate with one page to another page also by using this hypertext. That means hyperlinks to the text. In that case, hyperlinks to the images also. That means hyperlinks to the data. Okay, we can give structure to the data and we can give hyperlinks also. For example, I want to purchase this product. I am seeing this. I will click here. What is this? It is a product. That means it is an image. Or else if I click here, what is this? Serum. What is this? Text. I can click here, or else I can click on the text also. So whatever it may be, I can navigate to some other page. See it? Am I navigating or not to this page? So where I am? Am I in the Amazon.in or else I am going to Twitter.com? So internally you can navigate. Internal navigation means what? In the same web page, in the same web application. Sorry, in the same web application, navigating from one page to another page. This is called internal navigation. This is called internal navigation. See, you can find all the information here. That's it. You can find all the information. This page is linked to this particular image. This is called hyperlinks. By using these hyperlinks, we can navigate from one page to another page. Not only this image, observe this text, serum text also. You can navigate to any other. Clear it, everybody? So we can provide structure to our data and we can navigate from one page to another page also. Clear? Respond? That's it. Okay, so this is the meaning of hypertext markup language. This is what I have explained here. What is hypertext? Hypertext means structured data and we can provide hyperlinks to our data. By using hyperlinks, we can navigate from one page to another page in the same application. Then after, what is the syntax of HTML? Okay, all the predefined keywords related to HTML, we must write in the markup tags. All the predefined keywords related to HTML, we must write in the markup tags. That means angle brackets. Okay, opening tag or closing tag. Okay, syntax, tag name, content, and tag name ending. Then after example, strong. Example. For example, strong is a tag in the HTML. Then this is the content. Then strong ending. So it will display our data in the bold letter. Then after, how to save HTML files? We must save the files with the .html extension. What is the basic code? Tomorrow class I will explain. Okay, right. So as I told yesterday, I will show you the course content. Okay, right. So intro to web development. Already I told what is a website. Okay, what is a web page, and what is the web browser. Just now I told. Okay, collection of interpreters and connection between them. Okay, right. So then after HTML5 introduction, just today I completed HTML introduction. What is HTML? Okay, so abbreviation of HTML, hypertext markup language. What is a language? What is markup? What is hypertext? Just now we have completed. Still we will understand that. Okay, and so need is not doing right. Say it, need of HTML in real websites. Okay, there are removed elements. That is also I will tell you. New input tags, new attributes, audio, video. Okay, header, nav tag, section tag, photo tag. Everything I will tell you. Okay, so inline elements, block elements. I am not writing each and every element. Why? Because there will be huge data. I cannot write each and everything. Inline elements and block elements. It will cover almost everything. Not almost each, and it will cover everything. Understand it, everybody? Whatever we use in the real time, everything will be covered. No need to worry. Okay. Then after, difference between inline and block elements. This is very important interview question also. Okay, this is very important interview question also, and I will take you that. So I did not write each and every element, but we can tell inline elements means strong tag, B tag, markup, mark tag, marquee tag. Okay, SUP, SUB, so many inline elements, span tag. Understand it, everybody? IMG tag, audio tag, video tag. These are also inline elements. Understand it, everybody? And the block elements means table, div, paragraph. Okay, so by using this only we will structure the entire web page. I will tell you that. And tomorrow I will show you what is the examples also I told in the previous class. Then you will get some confidence. What is this inline elements? What is this block elements, like that? Okay, right. Why? Because the HTML mainly divided into two elements, inline and block. Other than this, there is nothing. So that's why I have just to keep here inline elements and block elements. Then after CSS and CSS3, text, font and the related properties. Text and its related properties. Okay, word formatting properties. For example, word spacing. Okay, text transform uppercase. That related, that is called word formatting properties. And border and how it will work. Not, this is not now. How something is not displaying. Okay, right. Border related, border radius and how it will work. See, generally border and border radius, almost each and every person will complete 5 to 10 minutes only. But I will take two different classes on that. Okay, I will take two different classes on that, because that is used to understand the borders and border radius, to understand the structure, to align the space management. It is very, very important. That is just not some dummy properties. Understand it, everybody? Okay, whole depth information I will provide related to every and everything. And okay, so for example, border and border radius also I will tell. Okay, sir, border 1px solid black, 1px dashed. What is there to explain? Don't think like that. We need to understand that very deeply. I will tell you whenever it started. I will tell you that. Then after, box shadow, set text shadow, and how it will work. See, each and every property we need to know how it will work. In the software industry, 80 to 90%, one question will give answer. See, one question will give proper thing. What is that? How, not why. Why they developed a box shadow? Why they developed text shadow? Don't think like that. How to work with the box shadow? How to work with the text shadow? If you know how to utilize, then automatically you will understand why to utilize. They are utilizing that purpose only, they have developed that. So that is the purpose. So what is that? Most of the time, everybody crack the interview in the technical wise. Why? Because they have technical knowledge. They know all whys. Why they developed like that. But they don't know how. If you know how to work, how to utilize, then only you can survive in the company. Understand it, everybody? So that's why I'm writing here how it will work, something like that. Understanding? And if you are asking anything, why like that? Okay, it's okay. But in the seniors, what happens if you are asking again and again why, they will feel a little bit irritated also. Oh, okay, right. Okay, right. So wait, other person, wait, yeah. Then after margin and how it will work. Okay, just margin also not a small property. Then after padding and how it will work. Then after transitions, animations, which is CSS3, and gradient colors, multiple colors, and positions. Positions is very crucial. If you understand the positions, 60 to 70% of CSS easily you can understand. Why we use the CSS? To give external structure. That means to give proper structure only. So whenever you are giving the structure, you need to understand about this relative and absolute. If you understand it, 60 to 70% of the structure you can provide. Okay, remaining your 20 to 30% is adjusting the space between the elements, depends upon the parent. That is 10 to 20%. Remaining thing is other small related CSS properties. Understand it, everybody? Right. And then after push overflow properties. What is that, everybody? Overflow properties. Then after transform properties. Most of the time people will feel HTML is very big. No, CSS is very big. Why? Because it will provide us external structure, and HTML easily can understand. But if you want to understand the CSS, okay, some properties are very easy, but some properties you need to have some basic knowledge of. Okay, it will take a little bit time also. Okay, right. So don't think he is writing only 4 to 5 points in the HTML. He is writing so many things in the CSS like that. HTML, CSS, HTML is internal structure, CSS is external structure. Both are related. Both are related. Each and every HTML element should be manipulated by CSS1. So how much importance we are giving to the HTML, that double time we need to give for the CSS. That's why I'm writing each and every properties also. Clarity, everybody? Right, transform properties. Then after responsive present. And I forgot to write here, flex also will be there. What is there? Display flex also will be there. Flex related properties. Okay, maybe it is not there. Display inline block, inline hyphen block, okay, and flex that related properties. Clear? Flex that related properties. Then after responsive design, by using Bootstrap we can understand that. Okay, right. So intro to page development, extra small, medium, large devices, media queries, which is very important. Okay, so in the Bootstrap I will tell you that, and in the JavaScript and everything, whenever JavaScript started, at that time I will tell you. Okay, so many things, a little bit things also I need to add. Maybe I have modified the content, but unfortunately I did not save it. Maybe else I lost that file. So again I will write this JavaScript related things also. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you that. So I will show you the examples first. What are the examples I told in the previous batch, so that you will get some confidence. Because somebody will write huge content, but if you observe the examples, you don't know whether the content is covered or not also. Okay, so tomorrow class, what is the thing I will do? I will show you the examples related to contents, JavaScript, HTML and everything. Then you will get some clear confidence also. What is the things I will tell? Okay, and I will tell you the template what we are going to design tomorrow. Now also I can show you, but there is other class in the offline in the same place. Okay, so that's why tomorrow I will show you that. That is the thing I will do starting of the class. Then only regular class will be continued. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Okay, right. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We will continue our class. Bye, everyone. Thank you.